Ladies and gentlemen, this is the start of something which is unexpected, which is non aesthetic, which is something you cannot romanticize. It is completely that which you cannot idealize. But definitely, if you want to be inspired from my hustle to your own hustle, then you are at the right place, because this is a raw start and a raw journey of me, how I'm approaching to life, and I'm how conquering life, and I'm how acing it. Because everybody have goals, everybody has aims, but only few are there in the world who are able to conquer it. And in today's world, especially in today's world, what about today's world? It's all about Gen Zs, Gen Zs, Gen Zs. Today, if we look out there in the world, to our friends, to our everybody in our cousins or in siblings space, everybody is not focused enough to conquer the world, like our privileges generational ancestors used to do. Because let's be honest, let's be real, they were the people who had principles, who had values, who had morals, and who have behavioral ethics, and they had discipline to conquer everything they wanted to. And today we as Gen Zs are hypnotized and are overrating everything, which is something which will not bring you anything in your life. You are just running in the race of either it's rat race, or either it is the race which is not even a race, right? You are running towards enjoyment, you're running towards addiction. We are just enjoying our lives without knowing and without having any motto in our lives that if this is how it is, what it will lead to, right? This journey where I'll show you my raw frames, my raw journey, my raw hustles, and don't romanticize. It's the biggest disclaimer of this video or this channel, whatever you want to call it as, or what you want to refer it as. It is the biggest disclaimer. You heard it right, it's the biggest disclaimer where I am saying voluntarily that do not romanticize at least this YouTube channel, because this is the raw hustle. This is non-aesthetic side of people which are living and building something and creating and producing they always wanted to, right? This is it. This is how it is. And if you're here for motivation, if you're here for inspiration, if you're here to gather the good side of the world where people are not getting addicted to things, substances, and they're not partying, they are not doing anything else instead of hustling, conquering, and catching their life that they always desired of. Cribbing and thinking about how we have to move forward in life, what I want in life, is something which is not comprehensible, right? You cannot comprehend that. It's one of the biggest decisions in my life that I've taken, to start this journey of content creation and showing my real side to the world, showing the real side of the world, not my side, real side of the world, of in which people really hustle, people really conquer, people really achieve what they wanted to, right? In these 2 years, I can bet I have bet on anything which is a survival thing in our lives. I hate it, by the way, but I have conquered a lot. I've outworked, outnumbered people, and I've achieved, I've aced more than expectable goals in my life, more than what I've expected, and more than what my parents expected me to do today. I've done it. So that's what I'm saying, that this journey is not starting today. I've done it from 3 years, and today I'm here because I have more to accomplish. I have plans. I have more to implement and execute, because life doesn't stop here. Life has to move. Life has to move, not only move, beautifully acing, right? You as a human, sometimes there has been hunger of food, there will be hunger of food, but there is always, on the other side, on the hind side, there is always a starvation of dreams. So hunger of food and starvation of dreams, these are the two things that I'm balancing since 2 years. And I think I've done it beautifully. I've done it beautifully. If somebody would be at my place, he or she would have quit. That, okay, I'm not able to do this, I'm gonna go home back. I live alone, but I'm not being narcissistic here, but this is how it is. Right? This is how it is. Life is not always about being happy, being contented, being satisfied. You have other side of the world in life as well, where you're not happy, you're hustling, you're not able to sleep, or you're able to sleep too much that you want to stop, and you're not able to eat because you don't have food. You have other expenses as well, you're not able to cater to that. Life is about that as well. So here in this journey, I'm going to talk about everything. I'm going to show whatever I could, and trying to showcase my frames of reality and how you can build your reality that you always wanted to as well. Right? I'm not here to substantially motivate people, but I am here to give you an acceptance that where you are hustling at the other side of the frame, I'm validating that, because there are a lot of people other than these Gen Z's people who are just rolling their eyes onto everything and they want to conquer nothing, right? But there are people in the world which are exceptions of Gen Z's, which are doing things really the hard way. Let me tell you guys, life is hard and you have to be harder. Thank you so much, and the journey starts now.